cut your design in reverse using your computerized vinyl cutter. Alright, great. Now we have our cut pieces. The next step is weeding. So we're going to grab our Siser weeder and weed away the excess material around our design. Another perk of StripFlock is it has a pressure sensitive backing, so if you have any kind of lifting, it's easy to apply it right back down. Alright, great. Now we're on to the next part, the best part, the application portion. So we have our cotton garment ready to go. Now we have to set our press. So we're going to be at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And your press is going to be set to a medium pressure. We're going to start by preheating our garment for 2 to 3 seconds. Alright. Now I designed this so that we can apply 2 colors of StripFlock down at the exact same time. And then the duration is going to be 15 to 20 seconds. Take our cover sheet, lay it over our transfers. Alright. StripFlock is not a hot peel, it's not a warm peel, it's a cold peel. So you want to wait at least 5 to 10 seconds before taking the carrier off. And if you want to speed up the process, you can lay the transfer over something cool like the table you're working on. Alright, now I'm going to show you how Siser StripFlock can give you that satin stitch embroidered look. We have our 50-50 garment. We're going to do a left chest. Now we have 2 colors. The first layer is going to be Siser Easy Weed, and then we're going to apply our outline StripFlock directly on top of that. So we're going to start by preheating our garment. To 3 seconds. Alright. Now, our first layer is our Easy Weed. So we only want to hit this for 1 to 2 seconds. What that does is it avoids your garment from shrinking too much, because if it shrinks too much, it's going to throw your registration off for your foreground. Easy Weed is a hot peel. Alright, now we're going to go back and lay our StripFlock outline over our Easy Weed. And then go back and hit it for the full 15 seconds. So we can properly cure the design. So this isn't a hot peel. Just going to wait 5 seconds, rub it up against something cool. There you have it. Alright, so that was just a small example of what you can do with Siser StripFlock. It gives your garment a great suede-like feel. Now, Siser manufactures 18 different colors for StripFlock, 4 of which are heathered. You can also combine StripFlock with a ton of other Siser cuttable materials and print and cut materials. Just stay tuned so we can show you some other examples we've done with Siser StripFlock.